In this video we will learn how to buy domain from Hostinger. So we'll go to the Hostinger domain names and then search for the domain. For example, if I look for AI Studio and search in here and look for the AI Studio, so you can see that there is only two available domain name is available now. If you go to the AI domain generator and then find if you describe what you are planned for, so I say AI teaching agency, and then hit generate. It will generate some available domain for you. Okay, so it gives AI teaching.agency. It is 4.99, and then AI teachingpro.org. So the .com, AI teaching agency.com, this one. So whatever you like, just go there and buy it. Let me show the other thing that I buy. So I buy a domain, it's called AI creates AI.com, and then after buying that, you will find different options in here. It's called domain portfolio, and then you will find that is it active or not. So currently it is active now, and under that, and if you click that aicreates.com, then you will find your name server information, different DNS record, A record, and other things. And if you want to have some other privacy protection, domain log, change server, domain forward, there is a link, you can go ahead. And they also have a professional email. So for business starter, it is 0.39 right now, and then business premium 3.99. so what it does, it will provide you an email with your domain name.com, and this is the BPS if you want to host website, applications or other things, and billing, and then there is other things like AI tools, domain, email server. They have a marketplace, you can buy different things in there. So I will put a referral link in the description. That way it will support my YouTube